Bro, what the fuck is this? This is not an oxtail, bro. This is a buffalo. Yo, I'm about to go try Jamaican food. Where? Walmart. They weren't lying. They weren't lying. You got the jerk chicken, $5 a piece.
If you the list you want that? Yeah.
You got the oxtail.
Oh no.
You got sweet and sour chicken. Oh. Yeah. Rice and peas. Listen, I've never been to a Walmart that has Jamaican food. I might just give this a 10 just off attempt. Just off principle. And the food is all made here? Is like
I know, it's come from our kitchen.
from where?
From kitchen.
Kitchen?
Yeah, in Mississauga, Central Kitchen.
Oh, do you know what restaurant it is, or?
So it's like a kind of beer house. Where we call items.
Oh, so it's like a Walmart place. Oh, okay, got you. Can I get jerk chicken and oxtail? Rice and peas. Yeah, let me get the oxtail.
You want a jerk chicken?
Yeah. Ain't no Jamaicans working here, but like we can deal with it. We can go on still. Walmart, yo. Either this shit gonna be real trash, I'm gonna end up have to get in McDonald's. So we gonna see. If this shit is ass, do I get to sue Walmart and get some money? Cause now the chicken look like it has some nice char to it, like a little bit of smoke on it. I don't know if it's probably oven, but soft. Rice and peas. Hey, I've seen worse rice and peas in Scarborough, Chris Jerk. The oxtail kind of look like shit. Looks like stew shit. I'm not gonna lie to you. They put carrots in there. Not a lot of Jamaicans put carrots in their oxtail. It looks like ass. I'm not gonna lie to you. This oxtail look like ass. Absolutely not. Oh. They mix beef in this. When I say mixed beef, I mean like beef parts. This was butter bean and carrot stew. Like, I got more butter beans and carrots than actual oxtail. Like, what the But it's $12. I can't complain. I can't complain too much. The chicken, it's just alright. It's not jerk chicken though. It just looks like it. It's wearing a wig. This jerk chicken is wearing a wig. See this? Yep, a lace front wig. Frontal. Sewing. Like, but where's the oxtail? This was their sweet and sour chicken with fried rice. I mean, how can you fuck up sweet and sour chicken and fried rice? This was $8. Not bad for $8. I mean, how can you fuck up sweet and sour chicken and fried rice? You know what I'm saying? Okay, so you can fuck up sweet and sour chicken with fried rice. It tastes like those frozen ones you buy. The jerk chicken and fried rice with the oxtail, -5. That shit was not authentic. Not even like trying to be authentic. That beef was, that probably is the worst oxtail I ever had. Yep, it's up there, the worst oxtail I ever put in my mouth. Pause. Worst oxtail I ever put in my mouth. Pause. I call the cops. Like, comment, subscribe.